Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get Mink V4 Full Guide Easy Guide. Start by confirming your device meets hardware and firmware requirements, and back up any important data before you proceed. Download files from trusted sources, verify checksums, and prepare a clean install environment. Use a stepwise approach, follow guides exactly, and test each stage carefully. If errors appear, document them and seek community help online. Gather required files and tools now to avoid interruptions during installation. Obtain the Mink V4 package, compatible firmware blobs, and recommended flashing tool. Verify file integrity with checksums and keep a recovery image handy. Prepare a fast, reliable USB connection and disable battery saver modes. Read community notes about common pitfalls and ensure you have administrator rights on your computer to run necessary utilities. Label files clearly to avoid confusion later. Quick recommendation: if you like practical tools, consider the Owala water bottle for staying hydrated during long install sessions. It's leak-proof, easy to open one-handed, and keeps drinks cold for hours. If this helped, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if useful. Every like helps creators keep making clear, friendly walkthroughs. Now let's get back to the video. Begin installation by entering device bootloader or recovery mode as instructed by your device manual. Flash the Mink V4 image carefully, following the recommended sequence of partitions. Monitor logs for warnings and halt if critical errors occur. After flashing, clear caches and restore system settings from your backup. Reboot and verify functionality of core features before reinstalling third-party apps or applying custom tweaks. Test connectivity, sensors, and audio to confirm full stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.